Hi beautiful ladies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope so you all are fine, good, enjoying the good conditions of your health and doing very well. So dear ladies, today in this video I'm going to share with you most demanding and trending ideas of dresses for plus size women. So these dresses are basically for plus size women, and these are the best and latest collection of dresses today I have collected for you in this video. So must watch this video till the end. Don't skip any idea, don't skip any design. So you will be find out different and amazing styles of dresses in this video. You will be find out patchwork styles, you will be find out maxi style dresses, you will be find out Arabian style dresses, gown style dresses, different colors, different styles, different designs, different fabric, different prints, amazing colors combinations and amazing stitching ideas of dresses for plus size women. All of these dresses are most demanding and trending ideas. So must watch video till the end. Don't skip any idea, don't skip any design. I love all these designs of dresses and I hope so that you will love these too. You will be find out amazing neck designs, amazing sleeve designs, half sleeve designs, full sleeve designs, sleeveless dress designs. So you will carry these styles of dresses for your party wears, for your casual wears, for your daily work wears. So different and unique ideas of dresses you will be find out in this video. I love all these designs of dresses and I hope so that you will love these too and you will enjoy this video, you will enjoy these designs. So if you are loving these designs, if you are loving these styles of dresses for plus size women, so please dear ladies and girls, please do support me by sharing my video with your friends, with your relatives. And if you are new on my channel, so please do also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. So after getting the notification of my videos, you will never miss any idea, any collection, any design on my channel. I always try to bring YouTube videos and useful content for you on daily basis. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section how was this video, how was these designs of different types of long dresses for plus size women, and which type of more collection you want to watch on my channel, or which type of more videos will be useful for you, helpful for you. Tell me in the comment section. I really try my best to make my videos according to your opinion, so must share your opinion in the comment section. I really appreciate your opinions. And for more amazing ideas, for more collection, for more designs, please do visit on my channel and check the other collection. I have already uploaded a huge collection of dresses on my channel, so you will be find out most demanding and trending ideas of my left to right dresses, party wear dresses, casual wear, formal wear dress design ideas for ladies and girls, top designs, blouse designs, maxi dresses, floral midi dresses, summer collections of dresses, shoes collections, bags collections. So a lot of new ideas you will be find out on my channel on daily basis. So must visit on my channel and check other collection. I hope so those videos will also be useful for you, very helpful for you, and you will get new ideas and new designs of dresses from those videos. So must visit on my channel and check the other collection. I'm very thankful to you for your kind appreciation on my previous videos. Thank you so much for your kind support and thank you so much for your positive feedback on my channel. So please keep supporting me, keep sharing my video and keep visiting on my channel for more collection, for more ideas and for more designs. So as you can see, different and unique styles of dresses: chiffon fabric dresses, cotton fabric dresses, georgette fabric dresses, silk style dresses, floral printed style dresses, patchwork style dress design ideas, lace work styles, patchwork styles. I love all these designs of dresses, and I hope so, dear ladies and girls, you will love these too and you will enjoy these designs of dresses. So if you are loving these designs, if you are loving these styles of dresses, so please do share my video with your friends, with your relatives, so that new people get new ideas and new designs of dresses. So must share my video with your friends, with your relatives. I will be very thankful to you for your kind appreciation. I will be very thankful to you for your sharing my videos. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please keep visiting on my channel for more collection, for more ideas, for more designs, and don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye, dear ladies and girls, till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas and design for you. So till then, take good care of yourselves and goodbye.